Hey guys, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are at Govianu Ace Grand project which is located in Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. So here you can take the view of parking space. This project is spread over 0.26 acres of land and carries one number of tower with G+4 floor rise structure. And total comprises of 32 numbers of units. It has 80% open space. The project offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It's a ready-to-move-in project. And now we'll give you the interior view of 2 BHK Actual Flat. So friends, this we have entered into the first bedroom, which is having an attached washroom. Here is the living room. And now we are moving towards the second bedroom of this flat. So here comes the spacious second bedroom. This is the common washroom. And just next to the washroom, here is the modular kitchen. With separate utility area. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a 2 BHK actual flat of Govianu Ace Grand project. And now we'll give you the interior view of 3 BHK model flat which is of 1895 square feet. So friends, we have entered into the spacious living room, skillfully designed with fantastic interior work, as here in this video you can see. Now this is the huge and wide balcony of this 3 BHK model flat. From here you can take the outside view of the society. It's a luxury project by the name of Govianu Ace Grand. Now moving next, here comes the dining room. And now we have entered into the first bedroom of this flat, which is also having an attached washroom, as here you can see. The spacious bedroom, skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. Over here you can see the wardrobe. Now moving next, this is the view of master bedroom, very well crafted with lavish interior work, and here you can see an attached balcony with this master bedroom. Over there you can see the wardrobe. And here is an attached washroom. Now this is the view of third bedroom. Again having an attached balcony. Here you can see the wardrobe section. Now this is the view of modular kitchen. The spacious kitchen. With separate utility area. Here you can see the connecting road. This project is located very much near to industrial area. Now here you can see the common washroom. So friends, in this video we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat which is of 1895 square feet. And now we'll give you the interior view of actual 3 BHK semi-furnished flat. So we have entered into the flat. It's a semi-furnished flat. Here is the living room. And this is the view of modular kitchen. It's a living cum dining hall. Here comes the first bedroom, which is also having an attached washroom. Over there you can see an attached balcony. This is the wardrobe. So now we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. Again you can see the room is spacious and also having an attached balcony. Here you can see the wooden wardrobe. It's a semi-furnished apartment. Here is the common washroom. And this is the view of the third bedroom, which is also having an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.